Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. This video is for the complete build I did on the Aoshima Toyota mini truck. I'll be showing how I did the interior, some of the accessories I used, and you'll see how it all turns out in the end. So stay tuned. I started by opening the kit up, anxious to see what I'll be working with. The chrome plating looks like it was done real nice. The kit comes with 2 sets of rims to choose from. The parts look nice and real clean cast. This is going to be a fun kit to build. The first project I want to get done is to get the box assembled. Next, I got the chassis put together. I added the wheels and set the body and the box on the chassis to mock everything up. I found a couple low spots in the body, so I got those filled. I sanded all the fillers smooth. And I got everything in primer. Next, I did my paint work, and I made a whole video on the paint job alone, and I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video in case you have not seen it and would be interested. But right now, I'm moving on with the rest of this build. The next thing I did was paint the chassis.
Time to cut and buff.
I got the paint job wet sanded and buffed out. After that, I masked off all the window trim. I scuffed the clear coat down around the window trim, and I painted the trim black and cleared in a flat clear. Next, I got going on the glass. The kit comes with a pre-cut masking for both the windshield and the rear glass for the topper. After I masked off the glass, I painted it with the Createx Wicked Black. Next, I got going on my interior. The kit is made as a right side drive, but I'm American. I hate roundabouts, and if you cut me, I'll bleed in the left seat driving down the right side of the road. Either way, I did some searching and I was thankful to find this replacement left side drive dashboard. It's a 3D printed part and I got it from Iceman. I used the Silly Winks foam to make a button tuck style interior. I'm not going to cover how I work with the foam in this video, as I've shown it in great detail in past videos that you can find on my page if you haven't seen them. Right now, I'm just going to show some progress pictures so you can see how the interior came together. I ordered an LED light set from evandesigns.com. I mounted the battery and the on-off switch in the back of the box. I put it here because it will fit nicely under the subwoofer enclosure I'm making. I made the box for the subs out of styrene sheet. I got these awesome subs and amplifiers at the same time I ordered the dash from Iceman. Here's how the system looked when all put together. The kit comes with air tanks and compressors for the air ride. I used some wire for the hard lines to complete the air system. I wired up the taillights, and here's how the box looks with everything completed. With a system that looks like that, you can almost hear the license plate rattle. Everything is done and ready for final assembly. The last thing I had to do before completely putting everything together was wire up the headlights. I finished that, I put everything together, and here is how it all turned out. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the project, and if you haven't seen the paint video for this mini truck, I'll leave the link here at the end. I want to say thank you to everybody for watching, and I have some more projects in the making, so stay tuned.
Until next time.